Good day everyone, we are Group 1 and we are here to discuss about the first part of night audit. Here are the learning objectives for this lesson. To understand what is night audit and its roles, to learn and understand how to monitor financial transactions, and to learn the how and the importance of complete routine records and reports. Front office audit. The front office audit is a process of regularly reviewing and verifying the accuracy and completeness of guest and non-guest accounting records. The audit. It is a daily review of guest account transactions recorded at the front desk against revenue center transactions. It also includes active non-guest accounts. The night audit. Front office audit is called the night audit since the process of auditing is usually done in the late evening hours. We usually do this in the late evening hours since there will be less disruptions and interruptions to the front office staffs. Also, most hotels have an accounting day or hotel day that defines the daily charging period of the event.
Good day everyone, my name is Tero from BSHM 3 Charlie and I'm assigned to report the role of night audit. So night auditors work night shift at the front desk of hotels. So they perform the duty of both an accountant and front desk agent by bookkeeping and processing finances, as well as checking guests in or out and attending to their requests. Next is a night auditor is responsible for assessing guests with their overnight requests and balance accounts from the day shift. They check in guests arriving at night, handle guest requests, and take reservations. And the night auditor also reconciles all accounts, processes invoices, and prepares paychecks. Essentially, a night auditor's role is to provide excellent customer services to guests and keep the front desk and accounting operations running smoothly. So, mostly, the night auditor is work in hotels. And a night auditor has two main responsibilities: provide a great guest experience for guests during the overnight hours, and balance financial reports from the previous day's activities. And although although night auditors usually fall under the umbrella of the front office department, many K-night auditor responsibilities relate to end-of-day financial reporting and reconciling.
Good day everyone, I'm Vincent Amadeo Pamonag from BSHM 3C, and today we're going to talk about monitor financial transaction under night audit. So under monitoring financial transaction process, first, the night auditor needs to process late arrivals and no-shows. Second is process outstanding charges. And third, process floats. And lastly, balance the night shift audit. So I'm gonna talk about processing late arrivals and no-show. But first of all, let's describe and define what is no-show. So no-show is the term used to describe an appointment which the client has not kept and must not cancel. So apparently there's just a span of time where the guest can attend or commit to the said reservation or so process late arrivals and no-shows. Night audit accommodation report gives a snapshot of the days when accommodations are occupied. So the night audit accommodation report is the specific type of report the night auditor needs to when he or she needs to process late arrivals and no-shows. It shows the days when the accommodations are available, check-ins, check-outs, and no-shows, and also cancellation. This report can show further details for any of the items listed above.
Next is processing outstanding charges and payments. Processing guest charges and payments is referred to as posting. Posting as it is where there is an adding or subtracting of guest charges and payments to the guest's individual account for the reason that guests may avail services and products that are present in the hotel. It may be services or products in food and beverage department, which could be the restaurant, call accountings. It could also be at gift shops and rooms. Posting charges and payments in a hotel with a PMS greatly increases the accuracy of the posting, for the reason that with the help of PMS, the charges and payments will be lined up and recorded systematically. That will enable the front desk clerk and the guest to properly track and monitor the guests' charges and payments that happen in the hotel. Also, with PMS, it allows the front desk clerk to properly post the various charges and payments that a guest incurs during his or her stay. Figure is an example of an electronic folio to which charges and payments have been posted with a PMS. So here we have an example of a charges and payments of guests that are posted electronically to a folio. So products and services that are availed by the guests are electronically posted to their guest folios via the point of sale terminal, which is this point of sale terminal is a hardware system for processing card payments. And then this hardware system detects and read magnetic strips of credit and debit cards. We can see in hotels and other establishments that they have this point of sale terminal because it enables the guests to pay their charges and payments easier and faster through swiping their credit and debit cards through this terminal. Point of sale option is very important because it allows the front desk computer to interface and communicate with the computers in the various departments of the hotel. So for example, in a hotel, when the front office interfaces with the restaurant, the front office computer terminal accepts and automatically posts charges made in the restaurant to a guest's folio. This electronic transfer ensures that the charge is posted to the guest's folio in a timely manner and increases the accuracy of the posting.
Good day, my name is Christine Jane Gloria Marchadesch from BSHM 3rd Year Charlie. The night audit process. The night audit focuses in two areas. These are the discovery and correction of front office accounting errors and creation of accounting and management reports. From an accounting point of view, a night audit ensures the integrity of front office accounts through a cross-referencing process. Guest and non-guest accounts are compared with source documents from revenue centers to prove individual transactions, and these discrepancies found during a night audit must be corrected so that the front office accounting system is in balance. So here are some following steps that are common to the sequence of a night audit. First, complete outstanding posting. Second, reconcile room status discrepancies. Third, balance all departmental accounts. Then verify room rates. Then verify no-show reservations. And post room rates and taxes. Prepare required reports. Prepare cash receipts for deposit. Clear or back up the system. And lastly, distribute reports.
Next subtopic is about balance the night audit shift. I am Clarise Ycoy from BSHM 3 Charlie. Good day. A successful audit will result in balanced guest and non-guest accounts, accurate account statements, appropriate account credit monitoring, and timely reports to management. They are expected to complete a shift balance before commencing the audit. Night auditors need to complete a shift balance before commencing an audit. In that way, it will be easier for them to do the auditing. Next, it is also important to balance the night shift audits as it will show the discrepancy that needs to be corrected. In that way, the front office accounting system is balanced. They need to review account statements thoroughly to avoid inconsistencies of it. Reviewing all of this will avoid mistakes or possible embezzlements. An effective audit also increases the likelihood of correct account settlement. That's it for my report. Thank you for listening.
Complete routine records and reports. End of the day. End of the day pertains to the hotel's agreed operating policy on cut-off time. All points of sales of the hotel will be stopped to give way for the closing routine standard, including the night audit. Prepare end of month's report. The night auditor shall prepare reports that indicate the status of the front office activities and operations. Here are some of the reports prepared by the night auditors. The final department detail and summary report. These reports proves that all transactions were properly posted and accounted for. The daily operations report. This report summarizes the day's business and provides insights into revenues, receivables, operating statistics, and cash transactions. The high balance report. This report identifies guests whose charges are approaching an account credit limit designated by the hotel. And last, specialty reports. Group sales report dispatched by each group, showing number of rooms occupied by each group and revenue generated by each group.
Distribute reports. Due to sensitive and confidential nature of front office information, the night auditor must promptly deliver appropriate reports to authorized individuals. The distribution of night audits is the final step in the night audit routine, and it is important to efficient front office operations. Informed managerial informations can be made if all night audit reports are completed accurately and delivered on time.